Hello everyone, in this lecture we will see how to select the records. So these are the records. We can select all the records or we can select on some condition like where roll number equals to some particular roll number or on the basis of this average. So selection has multiple options. When we select the record there are so many options. So let's see one by one. Here I'll create cursor object and use execute query. Now let's select all the names. So select name from the table name. Now here it is student. Accept exception as let's print the error message. Okay, now execute this. Select name from this table. Now how to print it? Let's print. We can use here this fetch all, fetch many and fetch one. Let's select fetch one. So this will fetch one record. Run this and see here. It will return only name, the first name. Here name. Now here we execute this query and it is selecting all the names from student table, but from this data set we only fetch one record. Another function is fetch many. So let's call this. So you can see here fetch many, and here we can specify how many records. Let's specify here I want to fetch first 4 records and print it. So first 4 names. Third function is fetch all. So we can fetch all the records. Now this will fetch all the names and see here. Now here the best option is we can use loop here. So instead of this, what I can do, I can use here loop for records in this execute query. Let's select name from student, and then we can print this records. This is returning here, you can see it is returning a tuple here. Now let's run this and all the names here. Now instead of name I can just add here this star symbol. So it means it will return all the records. So select everything from student and print it. Now let's run this and see here all the records. Now what if I want to access only this average? Because it is a tuple, we can use index value here. So what is the index here? So 0, 1, 2. So if I specify 2 here, it will return only average, and see here all the average. So this is preferred method to fetch all the records, and you can use loop here.